In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automations at specific times in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive into the wonderful world of automations in ActiveCampaign. Sometimes you want your emails or messages to go out at just the right moment. Timing can make all the difference, whether you're trying to reach your audience when they're most active or you're gearing up for a special event or sale. So first things first, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, head over to the Automations tab on the left side of your dashboard. If you're new to this, automations are basically like pre-scheduled workflows that help you send personalized communication based on different triggers. Now, you might already have some automations set up, or perhaps you're starting from scratch. If you're setting up a brand new automation, click on the New Automation button. You can choose to start from scratch or pick from one of the pre-made templates ActiveCampaign offers, which can be really helpful if you're unsure where to begin. Once you've selected your approach, you'll be taken to the Automation Builder. Here, you'd typically start by adding a trigger. The trigger is what kicks off your automation, like when someone subscribes to your list or clicks a link in an email. For this example, let's select the trigger that works for your specific campaign. After setting up the trigger, the next step is to add a time delay to ensure your message is sent precisely when you want it to be. To do this, click on the plus button to add a new step, and then choose Wait from the options provided. Here, you'll be able to set how long the automation waits before proceeding. Now, here's where the magic happens for timing your messages. Instead of just delaying for a certain number of hours or days, you can get specific about when you want your emails to send. So once you add the wait step, search for the option that allows you to send the email at a specific date and time. A little dialog box will pop up, letting you set that exact moment. For example, if there's a special promotion happening next Tuesday at 10 a.m., you'll enter that information here. This is super useful for things like reminders or post-event follow-ups, allowing you to capitalize on those critical moments. After setting the exact time, keep building out your workflow with the next steps you want to include. This could be sending an email, tagging a contact, or notifying your team. ActiveCampaign makes it easy to visualize workflow connections, so don't hesitate to track how everything links together. Once you're happy with your automation setup, click on the Active button to turn it on. It's always a good idea to test the automation to ensure everything flows smoothly as planned. And just like that, you've mastered sending automations at specific times in ActiveCampaign. Timing your emails can significantly enhance engagement and ensure your audience gets the content they want right when they want it. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering your marketing automation. Thanks for watching and happy automating.